Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World, and I'm super excited to feature for you the all-new 2024 Imagine 2660 BS. This is a two-slide couples coach. It's actually got a bedroom slide, weighing in at only 6,600 pounds dry. So definitely half-ton towable, packs a lot of punch. So let's get started. Imagine by Grand Design, you have your double insulated full walk-on roof, double insulated front cap, your heated and enclosed underbelly, heated and enclosed gate valves. So it is a great choice to get you into those earlier spring days, a little bit later into the fall. Let's move along and talk about the trailer now. So nice big power awning. It spans almost the whole length of the trailer, gives you tons of shade on your campsite, and it has the built-in LED lights. As we move along here, it has a second door, and guess what? A couples coach with a second door of an entrance into the washroom. You don't see that very often in the couples coaches. Grand Design has done it here in this floor plan. So we're at the back of the coach here. Backup camera prepped. You have your ladder to access the roof for seasonal maintenance, that sort of thing. And it's also got the 2-inch receiver hitch. Now this is not a tow hitch, but mind you, you can put a cargo rack in there, any type of rack that you might want to use for hauling those extra belongings along. So the Imagine 2660 BS is a front kitchen model. So you've got your storage at the back here. This is in the bed slide below your bed. So you've got all closed in storage here. It's still finished off with the nice coin type floor, completely sealed in there, gives you your storage here. And at the front of the coach here on the roadside as well, you've got another little cubby with all your connections inside here, your battery disconnect, solar disconnect, outside shower, all nice and handy tucked inside here. Okay, so we're inside the 2024 Imagine 2660 BS. This is an all new floor plan for Grand Design in their Imagine line, and I'm super excited that I get to show it to you. So front kitchen, great amount of counter space here. You've got your 3-burner cooktop here and your stove. Plug-ins on either side of the sink. Still your nice full one-piece stainless steel farm sink. They've got some great drawers in here. They're nice and deep. And one big drawer below. 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So this coach is also equipped with your solar package. Nice big 10 cubic foot fridge there. Microwave, great level, like great height here for the microwave. Huge pantry. Goes all the way to the back, so nice and deep, and they've got good height to each shelf as well. So that's good spot for all your dry goods, and again, another drawer below. Moving along into the seating area, we have the theater seats. So these are recline, and they also have heat and massage. Nice little hidden cubby here for your remote controls. Directly across from the theater seats is the U-shaped dinette. So this is a great option to have. There is an ottoman at the back that you can pop that ottoman out if you want to make it a 4-seater booth. What I love about the U-shaped dinette though is it makes a great sleeping space. So this coach would sleep 4 people, so you can actually get another couple here if need be. The table is completely movable, so take it outside if you have to, use it around the kitchen, that sort of thing. And directly above your dinette is your entertainment with your TV, which is nice and conveniently located across from the theater seats. What I love about this setup is if you're usually camping with other folks, if it's a rainy day, that sort of thing, you're all converging into your trailer. The theater seats across from the booth dinette is awesome because you can visit a lot easier. So here's the washroom, which I was referring to earlier, that has the exterior door. You've got your sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet, porcelain foot flush toilet, and the nice size residential shower. So we're at the back of the Imagine 2660 BS now. As I mentioned earlier, it is a 2-slide couples coach with a bedroom slide. So you've got your 60 by 80 residential queen size bed. Great storage at the foot of the bed here. Hanging rods on either side. Place to mount a flat screen TV. The coach has the roller blinds throughout. Little USB pop-up ports here for you to use. plug in. And this can act as kind of a desk or a vanity if you wanted to belly a chair up to there, because you've got that free open space. And a bank of 3 drawers on each side. Another little feature up here in the kitchen is also the USB pop-up port there as well. I missed that earlier, but thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2024 Imagine 2660 BS. Again, 2-slide couples coach, so with a bedroom slide, weighing in at just under 6,700 pounds dry. So 2 slides, great weight, half-ton towable. Give us a shout, Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.